there. Welcome to today's tutorial. I hope you are having a good time. Today we are going to look at Font Awesome, but before we do that, I want us to do some organization of our code. Just want to organize our CSS and JavaScript file so that our project folder looks more neat. So just go ahead. I want to create a new folder here and put my name it CSS, and have another one for JavaScript. Call it JS. Then have another one for images. Call it that. So I'll move my image to the images folder. Then I'll take my CSS, the ones that I have, and move them to the CSS folder. Then I'll take my JavaScript files and move them to the JS folder. Then I will want to rename this one. Instead of calling it my web page, let me call it index.html. So I've just renamed and reorganized the folders. If we come back to our text editor as index, so I want to load it. Of course, it will not. We have to make some changes. You can see it's gone back to what we had previously. So we'll just come and make some changes here. Here I will add the folder name to the path for the CSS. Well, I think I got ahead of myself that way. Then for the JavaScript, I'll call this JS. So if I reload, it should come back to where we were in the image. It's here. So I'll add image that. Then I'll save. Reload. Yeah, so there we are. So what I want to introduce today is Font Awesome. Font Awesome is a way of showing some icons. The way we do it is just the same way we did with Bootstrap. We go to their site, to the download site. So if I go to Font Awesome site, you can see that they have a wide variety of icons. So to get started, we will be using the free icons, and then we will be using, we need to download them for the web fonts that we will be using on our web page. This is the download link. I had already downloaded them, so go to the downloads page. You can see I downloaded, and then I extracted to this folder. So when you come to this folder, you can see that we have several files, several folders. In our case, we'll only need this folder, web fonts, and then we'll need some CSS. We don't need all this. I will use this all minified and Font Awesome, these two. So I'll just copy them and have them in our web page. I'll put them in the CSS folder. You can see arranging them in the folders makes it easy to access them. And then I'll also come and copy the web fonts folder. And just paste it in the root folder of our project. So coming back to our code, I will include the Font Awesome CSS in our project. Let's come here and we have this. Then I'll also have Font Awesome. So I reload my page and Control U. Sorry. To remove one of these. So come back and reload. Yeah, there we go. This. So come back, Control U. If I go to all main, you can see that's our CSS file, and then Font Awesome. That's that. So what we'll do next is want to put some icons under this, in this sidebar under the text. So I'll want to add another paragraph after this text. So I'll just say P. Then in here, I'll now be putting the icons that I want to use. The way you use the icons is I will use the I tag, and then I give it a class of, the way we show an icon, just say FA, that is Font Awesome. Then I can choose the icon I want to show. For example, FA Facebook. And I save it. I reload my page. It's not showing. Also, Facebook can use it's a social media icon. We have the brand icons. Like if I add a B here, I'm referring to a brand icon. And then you can also have another icon like user. Reload, you can see it as it is showing. You can have an icon like class equals to FA class we have just demonstrated how you can use a number of icons, but there are a ton of icons that you can always refer to when you just get to the Font Awesome page. You can always check through the icons here, you can refer to them. All of them are here, both the free and premium ones. There are different categories. For example, we have the social icons. You can see that all those are there. So if I want to the camera icon, just come and copy that one here. Sorry. Copy HTML and then just come and copy it here. For the camera, it's a solid type of icon. If I reload, it should show here, as you can see. So there are so many, I can refer to as many as I want, as long as they are free to use. There is the thumbs up. Let's come copy HTML, then come and use it here. You can see it's there. So yes, that is Font Awesome for you. So with that brings us to the end of our introductory bit to web design and development. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to work on an actual project. We are going to work on an actual website that we are going to create, and we are going to apply some of the things that we've learned. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.